Hey guys, let's do a project. I thrifted this yesterday for $6, $5.99. So I was looking for a cover just like this. I don't love the heart. I might just like chop that off. But I wanted to replace the glass with some French cane webbing. And I think this might be perfect for that project. This one is especially exciting to me because it has a door, has a top shelf, and it has another open shelf down here. So in total, I've got 4 shelves. They're pretty deep. I think I might have Chase chop off the top of this right here, because this is just a little too 90s cutesy. I mean, like, this would probably go in my 90s childhood bedroom. Chase? Yeah, I need your help now.
Right?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Well, we couldn't find a stud in the wall. So I'm off to Lowe's tomorrow to get some drywall screws and some spackle. Day 3, I think. I just got back from Lowe's. We patched up the holes. There are no holes in the wall anymore. And there are drywall screws. And now this guy is ready for just a light coat of varnish. Here is the finished result. I think I might hang a mirror right next to it, but let me see if I can get in here. It's a little bit tight in my bathroom. Teeny tiny space, but so I cut off that top piece. That is from spackle, from putting a bunch of holes in the wall. Apparently this wall just does not have any studs, so I had to get some drywall screws. But I cut off the top, sanded it, took out that glass, and I just stapled the French cane right onto the inside and cut out a place so the magnet can stick. I had this placed inside a little bit more where the mirror was, but it's just because there's not a place to wedge it in, it wasn't really staying, so I just stapled it here. I'm the only one that's gonna see this. And then I have all of my skincare products in here where it can be closed away, and then just a couple a little bit more organized pieces on the outside. Isn't that just the cutest thing? And here's the other thing. So I'm standing in the shower right now and I use a powdered exfoliant. So now I have a shelf that I can reach out and just grab my exfoliant and put it away, because that can't stay in the shower. It has to stay dry. Isn't that cute? Also, I've got a plant hanging in here, and there's another spackle hole. You guys, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I feel like this would sell at Target under Opal House for like 90 bucks, and it cost me $6 and was just a really easy project to do. I love it. I love it. So if you guys want to see any more of these kind of like thrift flip videos, let me know. And until next time, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.